Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing great. Today I just want to discuss about AML compliances for the businesses operating in UAE. There was one question has been asked many times from different from different sources as well, that what is the basic requirement for the AML compliances. I will tell you about the basic requirement specifically for the real estate, because this question comes from real estate companies. Now, there is one misperception. Is just like most of the companies, they think that only registration with the GoAML is sufficient for the compliant. No. So you have to perform a couple of things that to be in compliant with the law. So I will just briefly tell you that then you will be able to just understand. Number one is GoAML registration. That obviously is mandatory for everyone that into that these DNFPPs or maybe real estate as well. So number two is just you have to perform KYCs. KYCs mean you have to go for the customer due diligence. You have to perform the enhanced due diligence. If the customer is high risk, then you need to perform ultimate beneficiary owners as well, that who are there. So these are the things that you need to have records for that. So number three is also very important, that you should develop the policies and the procedures for your AML compliances. So, and those policies and procedures should be distributed to the employees and the management. They should be aware about those policy and procedures. Number three is just the trainings. Trainings are also very important, that you should perform trainings for the brokers, for your employees, for your management. Couple of things, at times authorities, they can call you, they can ask questions, so you should know about those the AML laws and the regulations as well. So in the real estate, there is one extra requirement for the compliance is just REAR activity is called real estate activity report. If something comes through above 55,000 dirham in cash, you have to report in GoAML. If there is anything just you are performing about the cryptocurrencies or maybe virtual assets, definitely you have to report in the GoAML as well. So source of income is also very important, because here a lot of clients are maybe they ask about how we can ask source of income, but this is required as per law. So that's why is also then the record keeping. Also record keeping is also very important, because you have to maintain the records for each and every client for almost 5 years as per the law. So this is also the important requirement for the companies. Number 6, we can say just screening. If I'm your client, you have to screen my name, my profile in AML portal, or maybe whatever the portal you have, you can just go on the screening. Maybe adverse media reports, whatever is there, you have to perform those the screening as well. Maybe I'm not a blacklisted, or maybe the client is source of income is okay, or maybe those guys are not blacklisted with different checklist as well. So those are the the basic requirements that should be performed, that must be performed in the companies to the compliant with the AML laws and regulations as well. I hope you got my points, and if there's any question, definitely I will be available, the team will be available, we can assist you for that. Okay, thank you very much.